Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. So we're going to look at the Qs and the spiders and a few other things, and then I've got a lot to cover in the premium video tonight as well. So the main thing that we've been watching here on the Qs is, of course, the idea, and this is one of my my favorite observations of the market, is that it is an equal opportunity dream killer. And as the saying goes, everybody's bearish at the lows, and now all of a sudden they're bullish. To me, this is just your classic dream killer for shorts. You can see that this was the old high here, so that's kind of the classic. We're rallying up here, we're taking out the shorts, we're blowing out stops, we're coming up to monthly H2 levels. And that's kind of where, in my mind, this is going to end. I am not looking for new all-time highs. I could be wrong on that. I certainly acknowledge that. But I'm looking for that this runs out of momentum basically next week. So the idea here is we're getting a run. It's a short covering run with a combination of war news, a combination of, we've heard a lot of talk about interest rate hikes, and then when they're happening, it's kind of, sell the rumor, buy the news, or whatever that is, however that goes. Once it starts happening, typically stocks rally. But then the question is what happens after the quarter end? I personally think let's call it mid next week, that we're going to see a pretty substantial sell-off. At least to the 21 period moving average. That's tradable, but from there that could even get uglier. And we'll see. We're going to kind of play that one as it comes. The Qs here are more vulnerable. The spiders here have been much stronger, but like the Qs, they have also taken out that prior high. Again, if you're short, that's where you put your stops, so we're blowing them out of the water. But same thing. Are we going to make new all-time highs? We're actually not that far away. So, anything could happen. If anything, I would see a divergence here, or maybe the S&Ps could make new highs while the Nasdaq doesn't. But what I am looking for personally is that this, after another day or two of strength, this fizzles out, and we start to see some serious weakness again. All right. And then last but not least, there's a couple of stocks here. I'm going to talk about Zoom in the premium video, but there's a couple of stocks here that, like the PayPals and Shopify's of the world, they're in rally mode. A lot of this is quarter end window dressing, but hey, you know what? That's a trade. Take advantage of it the next couple of days. Remember, quarter end it kind of ends at Thursday at noon, and at that point we typically will see some selling. Friday is, who knows? It's anything could happen Friday. It's going to be quarterly. Quarterly options and all that, but I am looking at mid next week. We'll start to see some weakness again. All right, we'll dive more into the premium video. We got a lot to cover. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.